Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
So we're currently waiting for our flight. The flight is 3:45 bound to Manila. And then after that, we'll be having our trip at around 10. Then going to Taiwan. Just see me. Okay, hi. We're now boarding our flight going to Manila. And after that, we have to transfer from Terminal 4 Virgin Terminal 4 to Terminal 3 so that we can check in with our Taiwan flight. Cheers! Bye! Hello, so we're now here in International Airport Terminal 4 and we'll be having our transfer going to Naiya Terminal 3. Okay, and then after that we're going to check in for our flight too. Hi guys, so we are here at Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3 with Justin. We're waiting for our flight. The flight is at 10:30 p.m. and we'll be arriving at Taiwan by around 1 a.m. So nakaka-stress. But we're just here waiting. Ano masasabi mo, Justin?
Pretty bored.
Did you hear that Tinder? Now he's opening his Tinder account to look for some people. So guys, so this is like day 0 of our Taiwan trip. Bye. Hi. So we're done with our boarding and we're already going to our plane. Justin, say hi to the camera. Good. Okay, so we're almost there. We're boarding our plane. And we'll be seeing you guys once we arrive in Taipei, Taiwan. What time is it? It's already 10:10 p.m. We are arriving around 12:55 and it's gonna be like a 2-hour ride. Bye. Welcome to Taiwan. Hi guys, good morning. It's already 3:06 a.m. We just arrived here at Shifen Corner Hostel and we're currently staying here at the lounge. And check-in will be at 3 p.m. but we have an activity by 8:30 a.m. I believe like we can sleep here at the lounge. Can we sleep here?
You can rest.
We charge, but I'm hungry. Justin will be accompanying me to go to 7-Eleven. That's it. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. This is day 1 of our Taipei tour. Alright, so we are now here at exit East 3 and we were lost for a bit. Now we're trying to wait for our tour. We'll start at 8:50. Sky is not here yet. I wonder where she is. Yes. Hello, good morning. This is day 1 of our Taipei tour. Okay, hi guys. Good morning. So we're going to our bus na. Justin looks so haggard. ng Mimi is fresh because nakatulog sila. Sky is fresh as well. They're almost fresh but not fresh enough. We're going to our, where's our bus? Okay, we'll be back. Bye-bye. So here we are. Where are we gonna? Lantern Village. Gonna be flying our lanterns, right, Justine?
Yeah.
Right. Say hi to the camera. What did Mimi wish for? What did you wish for Mimi for? Good health, love, love heart lang. Good health, career growth, happiness, and prosperity. Na Mimi, look here.
Hello, get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello. Come here.
Hi guys, so we're done flying our lantern. And it's raining. Good thing it's not raining earlier. I have your passion fruit yakult for only 6 yen. It's raining. We're here at Jiufen Street. Old Street. We're waiting for na Mimi and Sky to come, but we're here now. Okay, so here we are. Jiufen Street. Coffee. Food. Else? Oh my god, look at mine, it's so perfect. Second. And that's the end of our day tour.